Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to apply the block arrows in the Microsoft Excel. So to do this, just select Insert and then in this illustration group, click on that. And here the shapes. After clicking on shapes, from top you have the fifth option and from bottom here's the fourth option. Select any of these block arrows that you want, like here the arrows toward left, right, top, bottom, both sides, left, right, up, down, four sides, three sides, bend type, U type, every type of arrows are there. Okay, and the blocks also, blocks with the arrows. Okay, so let's suppose I'm selecting this one. Just after selecting, you have on your screen, your cursor on screen, you can select or drag, or you can directly select it and then click on the screen. Just after clicking, guys, you can select or drag, or you can adjust the size of all these arrows, all these shapes, and you can remove it from here, or you can change the direction of this arrow. Now whenever you select this arrow, these shapes, then a format tab will be created where you can change the text. If you are adding any text in it, then this will help, guys, word art style, or you can change the shape, color, any outline if you want to add, or you can change the shape effect. Okay, similarly for this, guys, let's suppose you want to add this text. Just select it and click on this shape anywhere and write whatever you want, like I'm writing here, done. You can select it, or you can do the Ctrl+A for selecting all, and here in word art style you can change whatever you want. So this was the block arrows. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.